So with housing specifically, the money does have to be spent or taken out of the CalABLE account and spent within the same calendar month. That is specifically for SSI. And so something that we would recommend is, let's say rent is due at the first of the month. You might want to pull the money out the month prior and then pay for next month's rent that calendar month. So yes, it's very important for SSI and housing expenses specifically.
And just to be really clear for folks listening, if it isn't spent within the same month, then what happens? Is it considered income and it can affect your SSI benefits? Is that?
Yes. So it would be considered a resource, believe, and it could impact your SSI benefits. The Social Security actually has a program operation manual system where they go through, how Social Security representatives are actually supposed to look at this money. And so they have examples there. You can see if I can pull up that link. But it's also on our website as well. And actually, our website also has letters from different benefits like Section 8 housing and Medi-Cal that says exactly how those benefits are supposed to handle CalABLE accounts. And so those are really great if you're talking to somebody, a representative from one of those benefits providers, and maybe they're not familiar with CalABLE accounts. We see that a lot with organizations that have a lot of turnover. We do presentations to Social Security, to Medi-Cal to try to get the word out, but sometimes people just aren't aware of CalABLE accounts, and it really goes against everything people have been told about Social Security and benefits. The ability to save money and improve, quality of life. And so the letters on our website are a really great way. You can share them with representatives, and they are from the agencies themselves. And so those are the guide that the representatives at the agencies have to follow.